Hello jury members, we team Nagrik Ninjas have proposed the solution for problem statement SIH 25031. Our problem statement was to make a interface or a software between citizens and municipalities to address the civic issues. We have made a software named Lok Bandhu which is doing the same task. Here citizens are able to address their problems. They can post the problems basing upon the different categories like cleanliness, infrastructure, healthcare, etc. And municipalities has also get the access to an software where they are able to track different problems and able to resolve them. Let's move to our prototype.
Hello everyone, this is our prototype. Now, here this is the field section, which is like any other social media platform where other issues which are being posted by people appear. Now, the priority is dependent upon public safety and number of votes given by the people. This is the AI chatbot which will help us to register our complaint. Let's say I ask him how to post an issue. This give me a video which will tell me the steps how to use the platform. Now I basically know how to use this. Let me tell you how. Now let me click on the plus option. I will put my name. I'll select a location. Now I'll select one photograph of the issue which is of any civic, like let me select a photograph of garbage. Now this is our one of the USP. People basically need to enter the issues dynamically, or basically they are entering the issues which are been happening around them, but in our model this is been auto detected by our AI based model. This is the category and this is the description. Now as soon as I post the complaint, this is the field section which gets updated by the complaint which is being recently posted. These are the categories which are being mentioned here. These are the categories of complaint which you can make. Now, this is the section which will be provided to the municipalities through which they will be able to track the complaints. This is the section which I showed you earlier, the field section, which will also be similar to here. Now, the difference here is the priority based and the number of voting based complaints will be listed here. These are the categories of complaints. This is what was asked from us in the SIH problem statement, that municipalities face different difficulties in categorizing the complaints. We have solved the issue by here, like education, broken school building, environment, tree cutting, public safety, street light is not working. So the complaint can be categorized directly from here. Coming up on the star section, these are the problems which are already being listed currently. These all have a unique problem ID through which the tracking can be done. Now, the status reflects that what is the current status of the problem. Now coming up on the analysis part, this is also one of our USB where the color-coded complaints have been mentioned here. Now municipalities will be able to detect whether this is a high priority complaint or a low priority complaint so that they can plan the execution to resolve all of them. The another analytical part in our project is that they will be able to, with the help of graph, they will be able to detect which complaint is increasing, which complaint is decreasing, so that they can increase their manforce or any other thing, any other action which they need to do. Coming up on another part, this is also the AI chatbot which is helpful for them also. Whenever they will ask current issues pending. Now, this way it will be visible to them that potholes on the main road, overflowing garbage bins and broken street light and find.